दी ना मेरी और आई तो ले लो ऐसा Yes. I don't.
Well, this is an extraordinary sight. Goosebump inducing. The awe-inspiring entrance of The Undertaker. Darkness has completely engulfed this entire building. Admit it, Byron, you're scared. A little bit. We are Chad Gable, big opportunity here tonight.
And his opponent, representing the Alpha Academy from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 202 pounds, Chad Gable.
Chad may be the greatest coach of all time. Look what he did to Otis.
Yeah, but is Chad Gable actually teaching the right lessons?
Look at the record book, Saxton. You see all those W's? Those look like the right lessons to me. Great tag team partner, great mentor, great single star. Chad Gable has not only resurrected his career, but Otis's as well. And Gable does it all for the Academy.
We all know the only way to win this steel cage match is by submission, pinfall or by escaping over the top or through the cage door and planting 2 feet on the ground. But with these superstars, it's impossible to say which way it'll end.
Well, that's why the WWE Universe loves a steel cage match. So many ways it can end. I've seen superstars use a steel door as a weapon, get their face slammed into the steel mesh, and get knocked down from the top. Time will tell here.
Now, always interesting
interested to see a superstar's approach. Are they going to play defense and knock their opponent off the walls? Are they going to attack and try to scramble out of the ring themselves? There are so many options on the table.
There may be a lot of options, but when you're locked in a steel cage with a superstar who's going to take your head off, none of them are good.
Needs to be careful, though. Every movement is a dangerous one.
Trying desperately to escape.
Oh, man.
Look out below.
Oh, no. He comes out of the cage and lands right back in the ring.
Got to be more aware of your opponent.
Just breaking down the opponent.
Ooh, bullseye.
Chad Gable not looking himself right now.
Yes, he didn't come here to watch him boast and taunt.
क्या बोला क्या बोलना चाहिए
एक को दबा के रख
एक को
हाँ
Taker saw it coming. Punch connects.
How can a superstar take advantage of an opportunity when locked in the cage?
It is important to stay on your feet. Even if you are on the defensive, if you are standing, you can be mobile, and that can increase your chances of escape. The more a competitor moves, the harder it is for them to be defeated. The cage is your ally, or you're eating steel. There's no in between.
And now he's starting to make his way up the cage.
Heading up, and maybe heading out.
Return fire from Gable.
Fortitude being tested with every step. Bam!
All the way from the top.
Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now. Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Stop right there, gut.
Staggering to his feet, but he won't like what's coming next. Posted up.
Working on the arm. A nice shot by The Undertaker.
One of the best strikers in the business.
And Gable's hopes are waning in this one.
Gable has to gather the energy to turn the tables. He's got him in the crosshairs.
How is this superstar still in this match? And it proved to be well telegraphed. Closed fist connects. Into the corner now.
Oh, that's how you establish dominance. What are we going to see here?
Oh, a neck breaker for the victory here.
क्या बोला ए आरएस का नहीं
Shoulders up before two.
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank. The sprint up the cage is on. He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone.
And would you look at that? He could be well on his way to escaping the steel cage.
Looks like he's having trouble getting that other leg over. Just remember, the match doesn't end until your feet hit the floor. He is running
आगे
out the
पीछे
engine.
करेगा, नहीं
He's
करेगा?
not going to let anything stop him.
चढ़ ऊपर
And there's the survivor of this steel cage match.
अपने आप को उड़ जाता बाहर ही है
Here is your winner, Chad Gable!
I don't think anybody will question the toughness on display here tonight.
Takes a lot of guts to even set foot in the cage, but to win is even more impressive.
The dead man has just been buried. Undertaker lost, and I can't believe it.
The steel cage is looming around our
competitors, the door's shut, the gloves are off. No choice but to go through.
Okay, consider that a harsh lesson.
Oh, smashing the top.
Corey, what can be the factor here tonight?
Being able to withstand the impact of the cage. No matter who you are, you're going to get thrown into it or run head first into it. Yeah, it's not if you get locked in the cage, but when. The way a superstar responds to that can be the difference between survival and peril.
Second Rose line. And here he is scaling up the cage wall.
Getting ever so close to the very peak of the steel cage.
Oh, no. Oh, man.
Crash landing.
And he hits the mat with a thud.
That's a tough break at this point in the match.
Oh, big uppercut. Undertaker retaliates.
Getting up, but doesn't have a clue what's coming at him.
What a punch. The damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
He needs to adapt if he wants to steal the win in that steel cage.
Gable on the receiving end.
Oh, that can shatter a jaw. Leg drop. Stomping.
Great counter.
As the leg trap, fisherman suplex.
2 count. And he kicks out at 2.
The end was in sight.
What are we going to see here?
Oh, neck breaker. Uh-oh. Here he goes, working his way up the side of the cage.
It's going to take a lot of willpower to make it all the way to the top.
He switches it back around.
Better be quick about it. Not much time to get over.
तुझे भी तो निकलना है
And now there's an opening.
Takes incredible guts to make this climb.
No, God.
Trying to escape the cage. Nasty impact.
And he's thrown from the cage down to the mat. Gotta be more aware of your opponent. And here we go. He's headed up the cage.
And every inch climb puts you in a more perilous position.
जाले से बाहर निकले हो क्या
And what a reversal from Chad
ये
Gable.
दाएं बाएं किसी भी होता है ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए आगे बढ़ने के लिए
Oh, my gosh, what impact.
Somehow he saw Taker coming.
Making the big climb towards victory. Oh my God!
Trying to make their way out of the cage.
Man!
He takes a painful fall from the
ठीक है
cage.
वो
Yeah, he's gonna have to try something else now.
Punch. He turns it around.
Oh, God, that hurt.
A nice shot by the Undertaker.
One of the best strikers in the business.
Undertaker showcasing his merciless ways.
You gotta wonder, what does this do to Gable's
कम
confidence?
लेके दे
In full control here, face first.
The jaw. Shot.
Second Rose line.
He's getting pushed down into the defensive.
This match has been so back and forth. I think it could still go either way. Is this the right time? Is this the right moment?
He's made it to the top, but can he finish? He's nearly there. Just a few more sure-footed steps, and he's victorious.
And now the climb down could be more petrifying than the climb up. This is where champions are made. Heart pounding, adrenaline pumping. Keep those hands and feet moving, and don't stop till you're But there is your winner.
And that's about as conclusive a win as you can get in the cage.
The dead man has just